Alright folks, thought I'd do a little pre-word for this. This video's taken a long time coming since my last, and the main reason this one's coming out is because I've only ever seen one person that's fitted the same kind of waste tank to their van and filmed it. So for us it's a small upgrade, but yeah, necessary. Stops us raking the cupboards out just to empty the waste tank and drag it all through the van to go to the sink. The other main reason that it's taken so long doing is because we're now in full-time van life, and during the end of filming for the waste tank I was also doing several other projects around the van. I'll do a separate little video at some point. Yeah, basically we had a month between leaving our jobs to moving into the van full time to clear the house. There'll be some footage of that at some point as well, and the garage, and get the van ready. So yeah, it was quite a dash. Anyway, so the fitting of this water tank is quite a small upgrade, like I say, but might be useful to some people. Yeah, thanks for watching. Keep an eye out for the video with all the little upgrades. They may be of some interest to other people, maybe inspire a little bit. And then there'll also be a video of some of the reduction of our belongings and finally leaving the house. So keep an eye out for that one. Anyway, I shall cut this not short. I shall cut this not short, and I hope you enjoy watching this video. Alright, thanks again, and if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Hopefully some of the travels that we do may be of some interest to you in the future. Alright, take care folks, bye bye. Right, latest upgrade for the van. Got a smeggy water container underneath the sink, and get to drag it out to empty it. So what I'm putting in its place, I found on eBay, is this 15 litre container with a big lid to get my hand into, so if I need to clean anything out, something like that, then all the better. And to that I've got this water fitting here, which is just to let the tank empty over an appropriate drain. Although we don't use any harsh chemicals, everything's as environmentally friendly as we could be, so it won't be left open or anything, but we'll be able to empty when needed. Now I've already measured under the van, so I've got a rough idea that there's no subframe part where I need to drop this through. I'm just trying to suss out how to hold the tank safely at the height that it needs to be. So yeah, we'll see how that one goes. Okay, that's the hole drilled. Now to put some PTFE tape on the water fittings themselves to make sure that the thread stays watertight. A few layers of that on the threads, that just stops any leaks. Okay, get the spanners and tighten that up. Get all the swarf out from drilling. Okay, I put it came with silicone washers and rubber washers. I think what I'll do is I'll put one of each on, and silicone one on the outside. A little tight on this hole, but that's not a bad thing.
Okay. And then reach inside. But if you can see on there, there's some ridges on this side, and it's flat on that side. And we'll put the ridges towards the plastic. Okay, that's on. Now the nut. And this is why I bought this particular container, because I can get my arm in. Our previous water container, not a chance. And the reason that I fitted the tap on to the fitting itself is so that I can actually hold it on the outside without a spanner, and tighten it to where I need it to be. And I'll know that this is already sealed. If you put that on first, tighten that up, and there is a chance that as you're tightening this fitting into the brass fitting, you might end up spinning it and therefore not be at the right angle with your tap. So the idea is to stop that if we can. Let's see what we can do with this. To be pretty tight, and we'll test for a watertight fitting before we put it in the van. So time to put some water in it. Could you have checked? I don't know if you can see that we have a small pool of water appearing, so time to strip the fitting apart. So it's coming away from the actual tank itself rather than the brass fitting, so I know that's sealed. It's where this silicone piece is, the silicone washer is. Okay, so back apart again. Best to test outside your van anyway. I've just put some water back in this, and what I've got is I've taken the seal off the outside. I've put one of the silicone style seals on the inside. The rubber one seems to just be pushing out so easily, distorting. So what I've done is I've just put a tissue underneath, and I'm off for a cuppa. So I've had a drink since I got back from work. So yeah, one of those style washers at the moment, nothing on the outside, and tighten the hell out of it. So we'll see if that leaks while I'm having my drink. Okay, back to check in a bit. Safe to say, there are no leaks, so we're good with that. I just need to work out a way of fitting this now, so it's nice and safe. So there's the tank in place, true YouTuber style. I didn't film any of the making of the actual stand, not that there's much to it anyway. I just sort of adapted the frame that's there, and then plonked another couple of bits of plywood on top, screwed it all together. So I need to cut a hole in the lid for the actual sink to drain into, and then I think tomorrow I'll end up drilling a hole in the floor and hoping to miss all the chassis. So that should be something to look forward to. Unfortunately, I'm feeling rough as out. Karen's got the COVID, but that's the other thing I've been up to. Took the stove out, dismantled the back for it, and then finally got this door clad ready for the roller blind to be reinstalled. So yes, another good job done. But yeah, feeling tired, ready for my tea. So anyway, I'll be drilling tomorrow. Wish me luck.
Okay, so that's where the pipe exits, and just need to extend it, bring it down to the sill.
That's the pipe routed through the floor. Got the on-off valve there, 90-degree turn. I just need to cut a hole in the top of this and route the drain into the top, and then I think we're sorted for now. Yeah, the other thing I was thinking of doing was like an overflow. Takes it straight from here, maybe joins into this pipe on a little Y splitter or something like that, but maybe that's a future project. So now to remove this and prepare a hole in it. Okay. So another upgrade finished for Lila. Just need to do all my clearing up now.